People sometimes ask, how do you manage to pave the best asphalt in Eastern South Dakota? The obvious answer is we take 20% asphalt and bitumen cement and 80% of the highest quality aggregates this great state has to offer. But that's the easy part. What makes Bose Construction one of the best in Eastern South Dakota is our people. We pour our hearts into what we do, and even on those hot summer days, some of our sweat too. Call 605-693-3557 for a free quote today. Bose Construction, the premium pavers of Eastern South Dakota.